Welcome to Learner Point. Welcome to our guide on mastering the art of trading. Dive into the dynamic world of trading, where buying and selling assets is a blend of risk and reward. What is trading? Trading involves the exchange of assets like stocks, currencies, commodities, and derivatives. Discover how traders capitalize on market fluctuations. Understanding market diversity. Explore various markets, from stocks to currencies, commodities, and derivatives. Learn how rules and regulations shape each market. Navigating the stock market. In the stock market, traders buy and sell shares. The price reflects supply and demand dynamics. Mastering the currency market. In the currency market, traders exchange currencies based on demand and supply. Discover how currency prices fluctuate. Unveiling the commodity market. Commodities like oil, gold, and wheat are traded based on market demand and supply. Learn the impact on prices. Delving into derivatives. Derivatives involve trading contracts for future asset transactions. Understand how prices are determined and the role of volatility. The trading process. Discover how to trade through online brokerages, banks, or investment firms. Learn about trading platforms, orders, and execution. Exploring trading types. Explore trading types like day trading, swing trading, position trading, and hedge trading. Each offers distinct risk and reward profiles. Benefits and challenges. Unlock the potential benefits of trading, including profit potential and market insight. Understand the emotional challenges and risks. Becoming a successful trader. Learn the traits of successful traders: market knowledge, discipline, strategy, risk management, emotional control, and continuous learning. Selecting the best trading platform. Choose the right trading platform by considering features, fees, and user experience. Learn from Investorpedia's list and NerdWallet's rankings. Crafting your trading strategy. Craft a strategy aligned with your risk tolerance, time, and market understanding. Following guide. Explore QuantInsti's insights, and consider CMC Markets strategies. Effective risk management. Manage risk to protect your capital. Implement stop-loss orders, diversification, and position sizing. Learn from Investorpedia's and NerdWallet's advice. The future of trading. Explore the evolving trading landscape with AI, algorithmic trading, and cryptocurrencies. Learn from Forbes Finance Council and FX Empire. Trading is a journey of discovery and opportunity. Embrace technology, stay informed, and adapt to the future. For more insights on trading and finance, follow our channel and visit our blog for in-depth details. Stay informed about trading trends. Thanks for watching.